Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to write each series in Sigma notation. Okay, this is actually the continuation of our previous video. Okay, so sa previous video natin, ipinakita natin kung paano natin in-expand yung ating summation notation or Sigma notation. So this time, gagawa naman tayo ng formula or i-express natin yung ating series into Sigma notation. Okay, so let's get started. So, write each series in Sigma notation. So, letter A, we have the series 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15. Okay, so class, i-express natin to in Sigma notation or summation notation. Actually, we have two easy steps, no? Okay, so yung unang step, the first solution muna yung ipapakita ko, no? Okay, so yung first solution natin ay, eto. So, first, hanapin natin yung, or i-identify natin yung pattern. And then, find the formula for the end term. Okay, so, sa given natin na series na 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15, meron ba kina-observe? Okay, tama. No? Those are divisible by 3. Tama ba? Okay, yung 3, divisible by 3. Yung 6 also divisible by 3. Yung 9, of course, yung 12 and 15. So, those are divisible by 3. So, since the terms are divisible by 3, so we can actually write in this format. So, we have 3 times 1, no? Plus 3 times 2, and then plus 3 times 3, plus 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5. Nakuha? Okay, kasi if we multiply 3 by 1, so 3 ang sagot. Tama? Okay. And then, likewise, if we have 3 times 2, magiging 6. So, up to 3 times 5, magiging 15. So, tama yan, class. Okay? So, dito, meron ba kayo napapansin? Okay, very good. So, we have common. Tama. So, ang common natin dito ay 3. No? Okay. And then, kung mapapansin natin, class, dito, sa ating expression, so we have 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5. Ang common dito ay 3. And then, yung numbers na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can actually rewrite in this manner, right? Okay, so we have 3n. Tama? Okay. Bakit 3n? Kasi yung ating 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, isa-substitute natin doon kay variable n. Tapos, i-multiply kay 3. And then, ang makukuha natin ay 3. So, hanggang 15. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, ang ating formula rito ay 3n. Gets? Or yung ating expression. So, with that, isusulat natin as sigma notation or summation notation. Siyempre, ang ating n dito ay we started from, very good, from 1. No? Okay. Bakit tayo nag-start ng 1? Kasi, dito sa ating series, dito, so 3 times 1, magiging 3. No? Okay. And then, up to 5. Tama? So, yung ating upper limit ay mag-stop sa 5. And then, yung ating lower limit ay mag-start sa 1. Okay? And of course, the expression or the formula for the end terms will be 3n. Tama? So, the summation of 3n from n equals 1 up to n equals 5. So, ito na yung magiging formula natin or na-express natin yung ating series in sigma notation or in summation notation. Okay? So, actually, this is solution number 1. Okay, so, now, ipapakita natin yung alternative method or solution number 2. Siguro isulat ko solution number 2. Naintindihan ba? Okay. So, solution number 2. Okay? So, alam naman natin na ang ating given na series ay arithmetic, right? So, therefore, di ba may formula tayo doon? So, gagamitin natin yung formula nun. So, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference. Tama? Okay. So, class dito, i-identify natin sa ating given, di ba? We have the first term, which is the a sub 1. So, that is equal to 3, right? So, a sub 1 magiging 3. Gets? And then, plus, so, we have variable n minus 1. So, just copy lang yan, class. And then, kung mapapansin natin, we have the common difference here. Tama? So, 6 minus 3, magiging 3 yan. 9 minus 6, 3. And then, 9 minus 12, or 12 minus 9 rather. So, we have 3. And then, 15 minus 12, that is also 3. Tama? So, therefore, ang ating common difference here ay 3. Okay. And then, isi-simplify natin to, class. So, copy na lang natin si 3. So, dito, i-distribute natin yan. C3, i-multiply kay n. So, that is equal to 3n. Tama? And then, C3, i-multiply kay negative 1. That is equal to negative 3. So, again, let's simplify. So, actually, pwede natin i-cancel out yung ating 3, right? And negative 3, no? So, pag pinag-add natin sila or subtract, so 0 na yan. So, we left by 3n, right? Okay. So, see? So, we can write the equation as the summation of n equals 1 or the summation of 3n from n equals 1 up to n equals 5. So, see? So, same lang yung formula na nakam up natin using pattern and using the formula. Gets? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So, now, moving on sa another example natin, which is letter B. So, what if, class, ganito naman yung given natin. So, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10. So, i-identify natin dito yung ating pattern. Okay. So, this time, medyo tricky yung ating given problem kasi okay, wala naman tayong common, right? Okay. So, very good. So, wala naman tayong magiging common dito. Na katulad dito or divisible, no? Katulad sa example number 1 natin. But, okay, pwede pa rin natin makuha yan. Okay? So, we have the given series 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10. Okay, so, dito, class, hanapin natin yung ating common difference, no? So, we have 4 minus 1, we have 3, tama? 7 minus 4, we also have 3. And then 10 minus 7, we have 3. Okay? So, we can actually write this series in this term or in this format. So, we have 3 times 1 minus 2. Okay? So, paano tayo nag-come up sa minus 2? Kasi, okay, so 3 times 1, di ba we have 3? So, minus 2, magiging 1. Tama? Okay. So, again, ganun lang. So, 3 times 1, that is equal to 3 minus 2, magiging 1. Para makuha natin yung term na to. Okay? And then, paano tayo nag-come sa 3 dito? Yan yung ating common difference na kinuha natin doon sa ating pattern. Nakuha? Okay. And then, syempre, ipagpatuloy natin yan. So, plus, repeat the process. So, we have common nga, which is 3, no? Okay. So, 3 times 2 minus 2. Tama? Okay. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6 minus 2. That gives us 4. Gets? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, so, tama yung ating nakakamap na pattern, no? Okay. Kumbaga, dito, class, nagda-trial and error din tayo. Okay, next. Plus, continue the process. So, 3 times 3 minus 2. Okay? So, 3 times 3, that is equal to 9 minus 2. So, meron tayong 7 dito. Tama ba? Okay. And then, for the last, so we come up with 3 times 4 minus 2. Okay. So, kapag minultiply natin yan, 3 times 4, that is equal to 12 minus 2. So, meron tayong 10. So, na-swak sa ating given series, no? Okay. So, class dito, kung mapapansin natin, so, meron tayong common dito. We have 3, no? Okay. And then, we can actually write this using our summation notation or sigma notation. So, yung ating expression dito ay 3n, tama? Okay. 3n minus 2. Okay. From n equals 1. Kasi we started from 1, no? Okay. And then, it ends sa 4. Kaya, hanggang 4 ito. Okay. Nakuha ba? So, kapag ito in-expand natin, class, so, makukuha din natin to. Babalik tayo dito sa ating original. Okay? So, this is actually the summation notation or the sigma notation in letter B. Okay, so, class, ito yung ating solution number 1. No? So, now, ipakita natin yung other solution or solution number 2. Or the other way around, no? Okay. So, solution number 2. So, ganun lang yung ginawa natin. Katulad sa example letter A. Okay, so gumamit tayo ng formula. Kung mapapansin natin, since we have common difference, so that is arithmetic. So, use the formula for the arithmetic. So, we have A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 close times the common difference. So here, ang ating a sub 1 which is 1. Tama? So write 1 here plus and then just copy quantity n minus 1. Since ang ating common difference ay 3, so multiply it by 3 and i-substitute natin yan. And then i-simplify natin to, class. So 1 plus, so 3 times n, that gives us 3n. And then 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Tama ba? Okay. Again, let's simplify. So we have 3n. Copy natin yan. And then, yung 1 minus 3, that is equal to negative 2. Okay? So class, we can actually write this in sigma notation. So that is the summation of 3n minus 2 from n equals 1 up to n equals 4. Okay, see class? So, magkapares lang yung sagot natin. So, using different solutions. So, dito naman class, kung saan kayo mas nadadalian, yun ang gamitin nyo. Okay? So, this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching.